Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add poll on Slack. So head over to slack.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account and we're going to start with launching Slack. So in a new tab in the search bar, just start typing add poll Slack. First link that you'll see from geekbot.com, just click on this. From here, we can easily access the Add to Slack button. Just click on this. So from here, you're just going to need to grant access permissions by clicking on Allow. Proceed by clicking on Let's Get Started. From here, just follow all the instructions and fill in all the fields. From here, you will see featured templates. If you want to create a yes or no poll, you can see more templates available. If you want to create an agree or disagree poll, you can also build your own by clicking on this. Here, just type in your question. Say, for example, option 1 or 2. And from here, just set your own options. You can either choose yes or no, agree or disagree, 1 to 5 scale, emoji ranking, 0 to 10 scale, and PS. But you can also just set your own options. Say, for example, option 1, of course, and another option, option 2. You can add more options as much as you want. Click on next. From here, you're going to need to add a welcome message. You can either just say hi and add participants. You have to choose from individual team members or if you want the entire channel. Say, for example, the new channel, just click on next. From here, you're just going to pick a schedule in which you want to publish the poll, or you can just choose immediately and recurrence. We can choose one time and the duration of the poll, then press next. From here, just choose the results visibility. You have to choose if and when the poll results are shared with voters. We can choose real time and you can also toggle on anonymize results. Just click on this. And as you can see, we have now successfully created a poll and survey. And if we check the channels in which we sent the poll from Geekbot earlier, just clicking on this, we can already see the poll sent in this channel. We can vote from here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!